In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to import GA4 audiences into Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and make sure the Tools tab is selected. Then, in the Tools setting, click on the Data Manager option. Then, in the Data Manager settings, look for the Google Analytics 4 or GA4 option under the Featured Products option. If yours is already linked, you'll find it just above the Featured Products under the Connected Products option. Click on the three dots on its right, then choose Manage, then click Manage once again. Then, in the new window, you'll find the Audience option under the Data Sharing option. Make sure the Import Google Analytics Audience option is turned on, or turn it on if not. Then click Save Changes. Your GA4 audience is now available for targeting in campaigns and ad groups. And that's it. That's how you import GA4 audiences to Google Ads. Thanks for watching.